Well, how's it going, everybody? How's it going? It's the Beast, working on my home fixer-upper. All right, I wanted to take you downstairs. I just got dressed, took off all my dirty clothes. Been working on the last time we talked. I got some more of my plumbing done, but this weekend I've been working on pouring some concrete. Over there, I got my stub out finally. By the dog dish, that won't be there, but I got my stub out coming out from the basement for the kitchen. So yeah, I'm excited about that. But let me take you downstairs. I'll show you what I've been up to and how it's been going. All right. So hope everybody else has been doing good. Like I said, I'm just doing vlogging right now. Sorry about the plastic. I did get to shave and cut my hair. I don't know where it went, but I did get to cut my hair. And I just cannot wait till I can have a hot water heater in this house, a bathroom to use full-time, a shower, bathtub, anything. But anyhow, let me turn you around real quick and show you what the Beast has been up to. All right, the last time we spoke, if you watched that video, I've been doing all the plumbing from where I had to dig out all the old plumbing out of the floor. I got the sub pump, tool room, whatever you want to call it, room that's going to be down the line. I got that poured just now. So yeah, that's drying. I think it looks pretty good. I'm going to be covering it up with wall membrane that's going to go on the floor, or you can call it floor membrane. And then I'm going to be putting my subfloor over it. But I got that done. I had to stop right where that part is, so I just put a 2x6 down. Put a couple blocks against it and some rock just to hold it in place while it dries. So that way I can do this section by itself going towards that way. But since we last spoke, I started digging out that trench. As you can see, there's a pipe sticking out. I'll zoom in real quick for you. That just has an elbow on it right now. It's just temporary because that's where I stopped so I could cap it. But yeah, that's going to be going to the all the way back that way for where the cement mixer is. And that area is going to be my, that's right, the wet bar. And most likely like a wash machine and stuff like that. But yeah, so I got my plumbing above head for the upstairs bathroom done. Going towards the kitchen. This line right here is going towards the kitchen. All right, so I had to come up and around so I can have it inside my framing and inside the walls. And then I have it shooting up right up there, going up towards the kitchen, where I'll vent that. I'll connect all my venting for that. But yeah, that's basically what it's been up to. So yeah, I got basically all my main plumbing on this side of the house done. My plumbing for the sub pump room, tool room, everything else down there. Everything in the future bathroom downstairs is done for plumbing, for drain plumbing, except I have to finish doing the shower down there. But yeah, so I got my vanity done. I got everything venting out correctly. So yeah, but yeah, that's basically what I've been up to. I had to do that section first because I'm working in a very tight area. I carried down 30 plus bags the other day of concrete. Trying to mix concrete, not right where the cement mixer is, but it was right here. And but yeah, it's been going good. So let me get off here. When I get back on here next, hopefully we'll have the rest of that section going that way. See what I'm talking about? I just have an elbow on it just to stop it where I am at, and then I'll connect it and keep going. But down the road, I will make a slideshow for you all so you can see step by step. But yeah, that's basically what it's been up to. Got that part done so I can do that area so I'm not tripping on myself. The Beast cannot wait till this freaking cement shit, excuse my French, is done. So I can take down all this poly, finish doing all the framing, start doing all the wiring, the rest of the wiring and put in a new electrical box, water heaters, everything else. Sheetrock, knotty pine, everything else. So really excited to get this basement done and licked. But this concrete has been holding me up. And here in Minnesota, it's been cold as hell, guys and gals. It's been cold as hell. So it's finally warming up to where I can... I had to wait till it warmed up so I could get the concrete down here for one. And I'm still running space heaters. So, because I have no furnace in this house now. So it's quite a challenge. It's quite a challenge, but... And then I had to move my whole work table, if you've been following me, and everything else inside my future theater room. So yeah, it's very tight. Oh yeah, and right before I go, check that freaking XBOOM out. Now that is what you need while you're working on a fixture-upper. Is a big old XBOOM from LG. Damn, that son of a bitch freaking rocks. It really rocks. But, whoo, the XBOOM. The XBOOM is where it is. Playing that old school rap, everything else, it really does work really well. And the reason why I got that is because my T-Stack, DeWalt T-Stack radio, really liked the sound of it. But it finally took a dump. And you know the funny thing about it is I've only had that one for just over a year. The T-Stack DeWalt, I have my old original DeWalt radio for 20 some years and it still works great. The T-Stack didn't work and so I replaced it with that. Because they're not making the parts for it right now. So they gave me my money back, at least for that. Because it had its own issues. But anyhow, I'm going to get off of here and I'm going to go and kick my feet up on this Sunday. If you're watching this on Sunday, I'm just happy to say, finally, that room for concrete work is all done. Brothers and sisters, it's been a chore, and it's been a journey. If you've been following me, or if you haven't been, check it out. And why I had to jackhammer up this whole basement, you'll know why. See you later. I gotta get. Bye.